What's up, YouTube? It is a beautiful day out today, so I planned some crazy stuff. Not too crazy. But right now, I just got back from Brookdale from doing an auto lab. And I'm going to Joey's right now to see his new car. He just got a GTO. And we're gonna wash it. And then, oh, that bag. Ah! Then I have a meeting for a video that I'm working on. And after that, I'm going to Jevin's house. He's scrapping his Ford, so I'm gonna go get a bunch of parts from his car and slap them on mine. Oh. Oh.
LS.
That's hot. What year is this?
05. LS2. Now this is with the valves closed. Doesn't sound amazing. Needs to be fixed up a little.
Grab it a little bit. So that's the exhaust valves closed. Open them. That's insane.
My mom's gonna yell at me.
Alright, we're at Jev's now, and he has his Ford running. Barely. Sounding good. Where's Jev?
Dude, it's running right now.
Dude, it's running so good right now.
Yo, honestly though, it's been sitting for 4 months, started right up.
Yeah.
After I charged the batteries.
Look at the crack in the head.
Dude,
How does that happen?
it's knocking right here. Yeah. Yo, put your finger here.
Okay, so I'm gonna be taking these rims. I'm taking the taillights. This Gibson exhaust. I don't know how it sounds on mine though, because this is a V8 and mine's on a V6, but it should sound pretty good.
Acura!
This never got an introduction. This is Brandon. He
yes,
doesn't like these vlogs.
He was in the Integra.
No, I think that video.
Idiot.
Yeah.
He tell us a little bit about
I did that for funny.
Brandon dropped out of high school
Yes.
and is starting a business.
Speaking of which, I just got a connection.
Alright, let's talk about how I own 4 cars now.
The engine makes it.
1.
I own 4 cars too.
Broken. Blown engine. 2. Broken. Blown engine. 3. So many problems. The brakes don't work. 4. Looking good. 4. Perfect condition.
Ew,
Disgusting.
fucking
So wait, can you tell me when you got this?
Jeff,
And why?
All right, so
What's that?
it's looking good.
Jeff,
What is that?
yeah, we're filming for our YouTube channel.
Hey, oh my God, I've never been in it before. Oh my God, this is crazy. Unreal. I'm so excited.
Alright, so as usual, we have a problem. Can't get this one lug nut off because it's stripped. Look at that. It's completely screwed. Ray and Ori went to go get a lug nut breaker, so we're gonna try that. Hopefully that works. But in the meantime, Jev and I started swapping the other wheels.
Yeah. You want to do this just in case if I break something?
Nah, you're right.
Oh! Whoa! What? Oh my God! Dude, that thing's a beast.
Are these off?
Alright, so my car is done. Got all the wheels on, stuff. So now we're just gonna, we're taking off the exhaust.
That's insane.
And then we're just gonna put it in my car so I could put it on at a later time.
Oh, you know how easy to...
Ooh. Ooh.
Can't do this.
All right, Lundy, jump in there.
In what?
I mean, I could do it if you really can't, Lundy, but I prefer you to do
I
it.
could do it. Alright, we got that exhaust out. No more exhaust. Open exhaust.
All right, can we just look at the difference real quick? Why don't you zoom in real nice on this? Why would they build these like this? They don't have a hole, like they just literally hold it. Look, This isn't even all the way in. Now let's go over here.
It sits on the.
No, stop
on the
holding
hub.
your own sack. Now come over here. You see this? This goes in and holds it all the way in. Like these are all the way in. You look pretty good.
You look
You have like a
disgusting.
nice structured face.
He does, doesn't he? His face structure. Be normal.
Be normal.
Look at his jawline.
Wow.
And then the cheekbone.
Wow. I love how you have the little Superman curl. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Do I really? Oh no, I hate when I have that. I don't like that. Now we're back at my house, but Hannah Ray said that earlier today her car was making some weird noises, so we're gonna take a look at it really quick, and then probably end the night.